Alright, this is a good dime signal. Try and do a live dig. It's in the plug. Just a penny. Well, that has got to be the nicest looking can I have ever dug. Okay, you get a decent signal here. Well, it's hitting in the silver range. It's showing 6 inches deep. Let's see what we got. Well, it was about 6 inches down. Just a rusty old bottle cap. Yeah, well. Well, it's a nice signal, showing 6 inches. See if I can get this all on camera. There she is. Well, I'm just a couple feet from where I dug that 303 shell. This was a real jumpy signal. As soon as I flipped the plug over, there she was. 410 shot shell. Well, I'm not sure what to make of this. It's a nice sounding signal, bouncing between penny and dime. When I try and pinpoint, it's telling me it's absolutely huge. Well, still in this little spot here where I dug that 303 right there. 410 right in there somewhere. Just zigzagging back and forth across this trail here, and I got another jumpy but possibly good signal. So we'll dig this one, see if I can get a full dig on this one too. 4 inches. Hmm. Yeah. It's a dime. 1974. Well, it's not silver, but I'll take it. Yep. A little Super X22. Another shell to go in the collection. It's 3 so far. Alright, well, I got a jumpy signal here. I think it's going to be my last signal of the day. I'm going to head home, get something to eat. Oh, this ground is so hard to dig. Look at that. Another 410 shell. Alright, this is everything I found on that hunt at the park. These are paint tubes. It's foil, rusty bottle cap, nails, top of a pop can. This is some of the better stuff I had found. Penny, 1975. Dime, 1974. two 410 shells, 303 British, a 22. This nice Pepsi can. Can't believe how good a shape this is in. Well, that's everything. It was a short 2-hour hunt, but I had fun. Decided I'm gonna work the park in a grid pattern, and I started off in the one corner, that trail, and I'm just gonna keep working my way across the park. Well, thanks for watching.